was a terrible smell, guys. Am I going to eat this? Are you asking me? Yeah, I thought as much. And you're all welcome back to the SJS vlog, where we talk about fashion, lifestyle, and entertainment.
FJ.
So today,
with the strength of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. With the power of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. Everywhere she goes, every day, SHEJACKIESAYS.
what's cooking, what's poppin', SJS Nation, SJS fam? It's your favorite girl, SHEJACKIESAYS, and I am back once again on your screens with another beauty video. So today, as the topic goes, we are going to be using aloe vera on our face for 5 good days. And yes, I'm not going to eat this, but what if I ate this? So we're going to be using this on our face for 5 days to see how our face is going to react to it. So join me, get your facial cleansers, get everything, and let's get right into it. So you might probably be wondering why aloe vera. Personally, this is my first time ever using aloe vera in my skin. Yes, it sounds weird, I know aloe vera is common, but I've used aloe vera stuff for my hair and it really helped me. It really helped my hair grow. But today we are going to be using aloe vera on my face. This actually, my whole life I haven't applied aloe vera on my face. Probably a cream. No guys. So you might probably be wondering what aloe vera contains. The aloe vera gel contains a lot of vitamins and contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B12. That is what the aloe vera gel contains. Just imagine all these vitamins on your face. And also the benefits of using aloe vera is that it speeds up the healing process, and especially if you have a scar or something, it helps speed up the healing process, reduce pain and swelling and other injuries. It protects the skin from radiation. It's effective in treating fungal and bacterial infections, and also has a cooling effect on rashes and sunburn. Guys, that is the benefit of it. So you might probably be wondering, what conditions can aloe vera treat? Now, it can treat acne, minor burns, sunburns, fungal infections, bug bites, and all those kind of stuffs. So we have acne in it. So why am I using this? As you know, I don't really have that smooth face. I have this rashes and all those kind of stuff on my face. So I'm going to be trying the aloe vera on my face to see how it reacts, if it's going to, how my face is going to be like. So guys, I'm going to, from the next scene that you're going to see is how I started the 5-day routine of using the aloe vera in my face. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share to a friend who might need this, and let's get right into today's video. So my aloe vera is here. So I have to be applying this morning and evening. That is how I'm going to be using this one. I wouldn't just apply it once a day. I'm going to be applying it twice daily for effective results. You can see the tip of this has already dried out, and I really want the moisturized stuff in here. So what I do is I cut it off. You don't want to apply the aloe vera on a dirty face. Should I even say a dirty face, or a face which hasn't been cleansed or washed? So I just cleanse my face with my facial cleanser, and this is my face after washing my face. So my aloe vera is ready, guys. You see how slimy this is? Ouch. So make sure of these parts, just make sure they don't hurt your face. Oh my god, I feel this so much. So what we might be doing is, I might be using this day and night and throw it away and get another one. I really want to see how effective this is. Most of the time people will just put it in some leaflets and I'm done. But I don't know, I feel it itches. I feel my face itches just after applying this. It didn't even take that long. I haven't sat down for 10 to 15 minutes and I feel my face is itching around this area. I don't know if it shows it's working or what, or if my skin is allergic to that. I don't know, guys, but my face is itching. So after I'm done, I'm going to wait for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off. Done washing my face, and this is how my face is looking. I don't know why I'm looking pale like that. I don't know if it's a camera, but this is my face. I'm giving you guys a closer look. This is how my face is looking after washing my face up. But I don't know why I felt the itchiness to be too much, so I really had to wash it. So I don't think today's one lasted for 15 minutes. So let's say it lasted for 10 minutes on my face. And yeah, guys, so let's see what happens in the days that are coming up. So this is day 1 of using the aloe vera on my face. Day 2 of using the aloe vera on my face. So this is how my face is looking. This is day 1. So I should have been specific yesterday. What are we trying to achieve? We are going to see if my face is going to be smoother. And yeah, this is my face. And I realized, I don't know if you realized, yesterday I had some pimple here, but I think it's vanished, it's gone. And yeah, so I have my aloe vera here today. It's a bit small. I'm using a new aloe vera every day. I'm not going to be repeating it. So this is it, and I make sure I cut this part, the rough edges, because Charlie, yesterday in the night, so spoiler alert, I also used it before I slept yesterday. And what happened was, whilst I was using it on my face, the rough part, I think it struck this aspect and it hurt that part. So what I decided to do was I made sure I cut the sides of it so that the movement of it becomes very smooth on my face. So guys, let's apply this on. And yeah, face has already been washed. So guys, I'm done. So I didn't use the other half. I'll put it there for the next time that I also use it, that is tonight. I don't know, whenever I apply this thing, it's really itches, so I'm waiting for 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, this is it. This is how it is on my face. So I'll soon go wash it up and let's see how my face is looking. I am done washing up and I haven't really seen any improvement. I think it's my face is even getting worse, because after bathing I realized my face has been extra like, guys, it's not smooth, it's rough. And yeah, I don't know, as of now I am regretting, but all the same, I promise you guys 5 days. So this still day 2 and still roughness on my face. With, let's see if this this disappeared yesterday, and let's see what happens in day 3. What's up guys? So today is day 3 of using the aloe vera on my face, and this is how my face is looking. So I just finished washing my face, but yesterday I realized that my face was much rougher than it was before. So let's see, I've washed my face, I'm about to apply this. So for your information, I haven't been using cleanser as I've been using my previous video. I've just been washing my face up, just wash my face up with just mere water. And yeah, today's aloe vera, it's leftover from what I used yesterday. I didn't use a new one, so in case you might probably be wondering, one thing I realized is if you leave it over, you're not going to get enough moist in it, but all the same. I'm done applying this on my face, so let's wait after 15 minutes and let's see how my face is looking. So this is how it looks when it's all dried up on my face. I haven't washed my face yet, guys. As you can see, these days I'm having terrible breakout, but I decided to do this to see if it works. So we have just 5 days, so 2 days more to see if it's going to work magic. So my face is a bit thick with the stuff on my face, and today I'm not feeling all that itchy on my face as a few days ago, as the previous 2 days. So I'm going to wash it up and see what happens to my face. I'm washing up my face, and I don't know if you guys can see the difference from like today and yesterday, how my face was looking after washing up. But I don't know if you guys can also see the rashes. I feel it hasn't really cleared my face. I haven't really seen much changes, but all the same, guys, let's see what happened. This is still day 3. This is my face. The itching has stopped, and yeah, that is the only update I have for you guys on day 3 of using the aloe vera on my face. So guys, catch you tomorrow. What's up guys, today is day 4 of using the aloe vera on my face, and as you can see, this is how my face is looking. I think I'm loving the definition is giving my face now. As you can see, some few days ago I had some pimples or acne here, but it's gone now. And yeah, but to tell you the truth, so far so good. I'm not really feeling. So today I have a new aloe vera here and I'm going to be using it. And yeah, as usual, cut it into two. Let's see if my face is going to itch. So guys, this is how my face is looking after I've exhausted 2 folds of aloe vera on my face. Okay there guys, so I didn't know, I'm feeling my skin today because I feel that I think this is the only part where the acne is still remaining, but this aspect it has burnt down. Let me use that word, burnt down. And yeah, so guys, I'm not going to wash it off. This is how it's really thick on my skin right now. I'm so dark. So guys, I am done washing up my face, and there you have it. This is how my face is looking on day 4. I am really feeling my face. As you can see, I washed my face, I cleansed here. So this day 1, this is day 4. I'm not done yet, but guys, I think, but it's not really effective and as strong as other ones that I've used. So I'll talk about it. I'm using vitamin E. You guys know I don't really have the only cream, the only body pomade I use on my skin is shea butter or black seed oil or any kind of oil. If it's coconut oil, I'll definitely add a bit of. This is day 4 of using the aloe vera on my face. So let's see what happens in the last day. What's up guys, today is the last day of using the aloe vera on my face, and I have my fresh aloe vera here. This is the last of it. We actually have a lot in our house. This Africa, this is Ghana. It's grown everywhere. I don't need to go to the grocery shop for it. We literally have it all over our house. So guys, this is my face today. I wanted to do my video under the sunlight to get the clear texture of my skin. So guys, this after day 4, and we realized that the acne here has burnt out, giving me some darker spots here. So today is the final day of using the aloe vera on my face, so don't mind my hair. I don't know what I was even trying to do to my hair. So guys, this is the final one of it. I'm here, so let me start. So my face has already been cleansed. Yeah, so yeah, so I think that's it. I'm talking too much. Let's wait for 15 minutes. Let's see what happens after it dries out, and I'll update you guys soon. So guys, my face is finally dried off. I'm going to wash it now. It's thick. I'm going to wash it now and see what happens. Okay there guys, so I am done washing my face. Still on day 5 of using the aloe vera on my face. So this is how my face is looking. I think there's a bit of the change in here. It's not as drastic as my previous facial routines. So I'll update you guys in my outro of this video to see if it's still worth it or not. But at this juncture, I'm quite sure a lot of you would definitely pause here, but I still got more details for you in my outro. So this is how the sun hits my face, but this is like raw natural light. And yeah guys, okay there guys, so of course we didn't eat it, and as I was saying in most of the videos you guys saw, one thing I realized was that there wasn't much effect on my face as other products that I've used. I've used the sugar, I've used onions. I've used, I didn't really see the quick way of it because I used some 1 week, some 5 days. I saw the effectiveness when it was the 3rd day, but with the aloe vera, I feel probably I might be using it for much longer before I get my desired results. So the only advice, if you are probably asking me if you should use aloe vera, yes, of course you can use, just know your skin. But as I said, I didn't really see much changes. I realized the rashes on my face was a bit much more than how I even started with. But as you guys saw in the video, I was also applying vitamin E oil to my face after using it. And sure guys, but personally, as you all know, I don't really have acne. I just have a bit of hyperpigmentation on my face, which is not that visible. And yeah, so probably I think this is a good try for those people who are having acne. I think you guys can try it. It could like clear some out, as you guys saw my forehead. So I don't really want to waste my time. I don't really want to talk much because you've seen everything. So guys, thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and stay your favorite girl, Shejackie Says, your hostess with the mostest, bringing you the hottest and the juiciest information. And I am out.
The power of a woman, Shejackie says. Everywhere she goes, every day, Shejackie says. With the